Is your BT Box remote not responding? This is actually a very common issue with several quick and easy solutions. Let's start with the most frequent causes and work through them step by step. Here's what a typical BT remote looks like. When it stops responding, there are three main culprits we need to check first. The three most common causes are dead batteries, lost remote pairing with your BT box, and physical obstructions blocking the signal between your remote and the box. Now let's go through the quick fixes, starting with the simplest solutions first. Start with the most basic fix. Replace the batteries. Even if your batteries seem okay, try fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries. Weak batteries are the #1 cause of remote problems. Next, ensure nothing is blocking the signal. If you have a BT TV Box Pro, it uses Bluetooth, which works through obstacles, but older models use infrared and need a clear line of sight between the remote and the box. If the batteries and signal path are fine, try rebooting your BT box. Simply unplug the power cable from the back of the box, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves communication issues between the remote and the box. If these quick fixes don't solve the problem, don't worry. You may need to reset and repair your remote with the BT box. We'll cover those advanced troubleshooting steps in the next section. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your BT remote issues, these advanced techniques can help restore functionality. First, try resetting your remote. The procedure differs depending on your BT box model. For BT TV Box Pro, press and hold the Home and 9 buttons simultaneously until the LED flashes purple 3 times. For older BT box models, hold the Home and 7 buttons until the remote flashes blue. This reset clears any connection issues and restores default settings. If resetting doesn't work, try repairing your remote. Press the purple Home button and number 7 simultaneously until the remote's light flashes blue. This establishes a fresh connection between your remote and BT box. Ensure your BT box has the latest software updates. Navigate to the Settings menu and check for software updates. Outdated firmware can cause remote connectivity issues. As an alternative solution, use the BT TV app on your smartphone. This app provides full remote control functionality, including channel browsing, volume control, and access to the program guide. It's particularly useful when your physical remote is unresponsive. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, contact BT support for technical assistance or remote replacement. Be aware that excessive battery drain often indicates a faulty remote or software issue that may require professional attention or hardware replacement.